Hey guys, this is Reggie with AE Team Appliance, and don't forget to like and subscribe so I can keep sending you these videos. Just real quick, if you want to see what a $500 brush like this is a $500 brush. The brush isn't $500. It causes $500 worth of damage, meaning that you got to get a new dryer. So when people use this, they push it down in here and push out all the lint, right? So this lint here is all from inside of the air duct, right? So the brush comes all the way down to the bottom right there. So it pushes all that down, right? This is what it looks like inside your dryer. And then this circle is actually hooked to here. So you're pushing all the lint inside the fan motor, and that will actually seize up the fan and blow the motor or break the fan. And usually replacing a motor is, most people usually opt to go ahead and just buy a new dryer. So again, stay away from these brushes. If you have a vacuum, that's better, sucks it out, or just take it apart. There's plenty of videos on here on how to take it, depending on your particular dryer. Look on YouTube for a video on how to remove the door on your dryer, and just go in there and just take it out. All right, this is Reggie with A Team Appliance. Don't forget to like and subscribe.